Hello, it's Manga here and I'm doing a manga unboxing video. So let's just start. Wait a second. Yes, let's see what I got here. Wait, some more tape here. Oh, nice. Black Lagoon 9, 7, 4, 8, and 6. So now I have 3 to 9. Really nice, really nice. Oh, there's one more. 5. Then I have Yotsuba number 2. So now 1, 2, and 11. Then solid. Whoa! You can really weird cover. Really nice, really nice. Then there's Dragon Ball complete illustration. Random page. Nice, nice. Receipt. Yotsuba 2, Black Lagoon 4 to 9, Solid Snot 1, Dragon Ball complete illustrations. So let's just check out here. So Yotsuba was 570, Black Lagoons were 540, Solid Knot 840, and the complete illustrations 1650. So let's just put everything here in one picture on my floor. So all of these were equals to 64 or something like that. So Dragon Ball, Soul Eater, Yotsuba, Black Lagoon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, bye.